Kuthiwa umuntu akalahlwa. Will this be the case for uMthombeni noMakhumalo?
Angikwazi.
Hello, people. Good to have you back again. And yes, another season of Uthando Nesithembu. And niyazi, guys, hlezi ziyakhala. Every season ziyakhala. Everyone, oh, guys, yazini. And this time again, we see uMakhumalo no Mthombeni. They have their dilemma nje I understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, and people are asking themselves a lot. And if you have been following Uthando Nesithembu, you know ukuthi these two, it was like amathe nolimo. They were very, very inseparable. And manje sibona futhi kwenzeka ngokunye, like, yo guys, mina nje ngithi nje let's just ngithi mina we just be listening, we don't judge nje. Siyaqhubeka siyabuka and then siyabuka, guys.
Ukuqhubeka nayo yonke into. Therefore, kufanele yonke into ngiyimise.
Guys, uMthombeni uthi kuMakhumalo akakwazi ukuqhubeka nayo yonke into and he needs to put everything on hold. Like, let's just take it back a little bit, guys. Siyazi ukuthi uMakhumalo noMthombeni, or uMakhumalo right now is at the point where she feels like, yazini, I am just really, really tired of this thing. I'm really tired of being the yes. And I'm really, really tired. And Umthombeni, he really doesn't listen to a lot of things that Umakhumalo has talked about or has raised. So we are seeing Umakhumalo withdrawing herself a lot from the relationship. And for some reason, Umthombeni is saying that is being done because Umakhumalo use right. Now, they had a conversation together. They sat on a table like husband and wife, of course. And then Umthombeni is having a chat with Umakhumalo, which we rarely see these days happening. She's having a chat with Umakhumalo, and he is telling Umakhumalo ukuthi he's going to place a lot of things on hold.
Ngiqale ngilungise lesimo engibhekene naso. Kunale mizi le engiyithengile, ngayithengela wena, ngayithengela uMayeni, ngayithengela uMangwabi.
Big shout outs to Mthombeni for buying houses for her wives. So if you guys remember, they had a nice homestead in Mzumbe, right? Where everybody had their house there, like a standalone house. And then Mthombeni decided to know my wives, yeah, bayahlala lana mara, they are always fighting, like you know the story, like cats and a mouse. And he's like, you know what? Let me make them, or let me get them to choose where they will preferably want to stay. So the wives chose the houses that they wanted, and we saw Makhumalo's house, which is very nice. You know, everything, the location, the house, the design, everything. Yeah, and Makhumalo Siamazige, she has a very good taste of fashion, and yeah, so she didn't do wrong on that one. She has a house now which is separate from where they go to. I guess Mzumbe. Bazohlala khona just when they go to Mzumbe. I think Umselego just wanted peace from his wives to say, you know what? If I probably put you guys in different locations or in different places, then I will get my peace maybe. Yabona.
Angikwazi ukuqhubeka ngiye khona mina.
Mthombeni is saying something like he cannot go there. So with their issues of ukuthi vele abasaboni ngasolinye, when Umakhumalo says this and abasavumelani, Mthombeni feels like it's just a lot of things nje ezikwi-bridge ezimenza ukuthi angabi the man that he can be for Makhumalo, yabo. He needs to be for Makhumalo. He said it. I cannot I can't go there. There's just been a lot that is happening at the moment, and I, he doesn't even know whether he feels welcome or he is welcomed or not welcome there. I will say, really, really, Ziakad Segurite. You know when you are talking to somebody and then they just ask you, "Are we done?" You know it's a dead end. There is no turn. That road is not going anywhere. It's a dead end, and you really can't say anything about it. It's like, wow, what more can you say? And Umsambeni, he was just, guys, Umsambeni can be a saint. Look at how nice and like, conserved he's trying to be here, and how low he's speaking or addressing himself, how he's just here respecting his wife. It's not the same Mtombeni who will be on the cameras saying other things. So yeah, basically after he talks, he says his piece, and then Umakumalo feels like, you know what, I don't have anything to say. I'm just gonna ask him, are you done? Are you done? And you know, once umuntu wakubuza vele ukuthi are you done? Yeah. I think you just lose energy, man. You just lose energy.
Akukho ozokusho.
Funny enough, he even asked, like, don't you have anything to say? Like, I have said what I wanted to say to you, but don't you have a response to what I was saying? And oh God.
Makuwukuthi-ke usho ukuthi usungizwile. It's fine.
Mtombeni realizing that, you know what, this conversation, there is nowhere else he can carry it. He can still try and, reserve the conversation or still try and carry the conversation. He's like, you know what, it's fine. If le ungizwile, or if you've had me, it's fine then. Or if you don't have anything to say, it is fine. I don't know whether Mtombeni was, obviously, I would assume Mtombeni was expecting this to be more of like, a conversation, one-to-one dialogue where he says what he says, and then Makumalo responds as well. But I do think that from Makumalo's side, she felt like Umtombeni probably is just playing dumb, and she's not gonna entertain Umtombeni playing dumb on this case, like as if he doesn't know what's going on. And the way he chose to approach the things and not addressing things as they are, he's still trying to sound like this pride man. Of which Umtombeni is like, you know what, maybe if I lay it this way, it's gonna break an ice basically for Makumalo to talk. But I guess Makumalo was like, I am not dealing with this. So Makumalo says, Yazin, thank you, Inyabonga. And then she immediately she leaves. She doesn't even say, I will see you later, Baba, or whatever. No smile. Like for the first time, we're seeing this transition of Umakumalo, which is really, really shocking from how we used to see Umakumalo. I don't know. Some people call it growth. Some people just let me know what you guys will call it in your comment. Like seeing some, yeah, we're seeing some moves here. A lot of moves, even.
Are you still in love with Umtombeni? Do you still love Umtombeni?
What is love?
A very big question that was imposed to Makumalo. Are you still in love with Umtombeni? Guys, it's a simple question. Like, I mean, how can you be in married and then you don't know what is love? How long have you been married to this man? Like, to answer a question with a question, we know usually the answer is no to that one. Yeah, but and still, even after she answered the question, she explained the love term, she still did not answer the question. But we know, Guti, if you're not in love, maybe not to say no, you will say, what is love? You will answer the question with the question. But if you are definitely in love, man, I don't think the director will even finish the question. Do you still love on somebody? I mean, she will blush all over the place, laugh, all those things, and say, oh yes, he's my husband. I am definitely still in love with her. But as they say sometimes, you reap what you sow. We don't know who reaped what and who's sowing what. Is it Musa who reaped? And yeah, basically, it is that guy.
Mawungasudefine uthando, then I guess no